Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable YouTube auto translation. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to disable YouTube auto translation, the easiest method is by using a Chrome extension called YouTube Anti-Translate. First, open your Chrome browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Extensions and then select Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for the YouTube Anti-Translate extension. When you find it, click Add to Chrome on the right side and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Wait for a few seconds while it installs. After installation, click on the extension icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser and make sure it is enabled. If the status shows enabled, it's ready to work. Next, open youtube.com and play any video. Make sure the YouTube Anti-Translate extension is pinned to your toolbar and refresh the page to apply the changes. Once this is done, YouTube will no longer automatically translate captions or video titles. This method works reliably on desktop browsers and gives you full control over when and if translations appear, and that's it. So that's basically how you can disable YouTube auto translation. So that's all for this video.